Today we're going to change the bearing on the shaft in the vibration unit on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. Firstly, watch our videos if you are unsure of how to remove the exciter from the plate compactor and how to drain the oil. When you have done these steps, you can remove the end cap by unscrewing the 4 bolts. Then tap to loosen by using a copper hammer. Then remove the gasket. On the other side of the exciter, remove the end cap by unscrewing the 4 bolts. Then tap to loosen by using a copper hammer and remove the gasket. To remove the vibrator shaft, you will have to use a copper hammer and carefully knock it out from the back until you can release the shaft from inside the vibrator unit. When the unit is released, you will now need to remove the bearing with a bearing puller. Place the shaft into a vise and connect the bearing puller. Use a socket spanner to release the bearing. Place the new bearing onto the shaft. Turn the shaft around and place this into the vise. Hammer the bearing onto the shaft. Place the shaft back into the vibration unit. Carefully hammer the shaft back into the unit. The other bearing may start to come loose from the shaft, so this will also need to be hammered back into position. Place the end cap back along with the gasket and align the holes. Secure with the bolts. Repeat this on the other side of the vibration unit. That's how you change the bearing on the shaft in the vibrator unit on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.